If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. YouTube, it's your boy Dave coming to y'all with another YouTube video. And before we even get into the video, y'all, look at this, man. We gotta fix this. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man. It helps me grow. And, Cash Apps on, Zales, like I say in every video. Just hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And y'all, man, we on the road to 30K right now. I think I'm at like 22 point something right now. So we on the road, y'all. We on the road. Been going up fast, super fast. But as you could see, highway POV. Got a highway POV for y'all boys, so we just go cut up a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Y'all know I gotta get home to my baby. So I ain't gonna be doing nothing too crazy. I'm actually recording 2 videos at once. I'm on my way to this, because I'm trying to sell this car. So I'm on my way to this CarMax. I'm gonna get a little quote, man, see how much they'll give me. But I'm gonna split these videos up. I'm gonna do a highway POV and that video at the same time. Why not? I'm driving that way. I ain't gonna tuck y'all ears off. I'ma just give y'all young boys some nice pulls. Switching lanes a little bit. This Trailblazer finna piss a young boy off. I was finna take that. I'm sorry, semi-truck, I'm sorry. Look at this Trailblazer, bro. He needs to get the fuck out the way. God is good, y'all. God is good. Gotta watch out for the state troops. My eyes going everywhere right now. Let me know some new ideas too, cause I ain't give y'all a POV in a minute, so I'm like, let me give y'all a little highway POV. Y'all know my POV is usually at nighttime. Right now I got some daylight. Y'all know I be working in the daylight, so. Come on, bro. This Nissan Road, shorty. Oh my God. So I don't like driving in Indiana. I don't like driving nowhere around here, man. Chicago motherfuckers and Indiana motherfuckers, they be tripping, man. I need to move to South Dakota or something. They be tripping out here. Y'all probably like, you the one tripping, you the one driving fast. Y'all wanna hear this exhaust? Mercedes on my bumpy. Lucky I ain't in my hellcat. I don't know what that is. Look like a little C or something. I don't even know Mercedes like that. There's a lot of Teslas driving around. Y'all a little 9-minute video. I don't know how long this video gonna be. Should be long enough. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Somebody comment, I'm a nice driver, because I be using my damn turning signals. I know a lot of YouTubers, they'll be using their damn turning signals and shit. Y'all know me, man. I cut up, but I cut up safely, shorty. Somebody said I'm a friendly driver, something like that. I was laughing, though. White lines mean you can't cross them. Solid white lines. Oh, it's finna be a bug trying to go back. Damn, while I come out here, shawty. It's cool though. I was doing nothing. I was really bored. And I kept telling myself that I was gonna go to this CarMax, and I never went. Y'all, look, follow me on Instagram, because I know some of y'all follow me on Instagram. Y'all be shooting me DMs. I be DMing a couple people back, but a couple of y'all be tripping. Y'all be asking a little bit too much. Like, I answer questions, but y'all be, like, asking a little bit too much. Y'all know me, though. Like, I respond to everybody comment. I do everything, man. I interact with my supporters. Oh, this traffic over here. Then, like, I know a couple of y'all noticed, but, like, YouTube kind of getting played out with these car channels a little bit. So I might, like, kind of start switching it up a little bit, but I'm still be doing car content. But I'm going to just be trying to switch it up. Come on, what the fuck you doing, man? You tweaking all on the line, man. But yeah, though, y'all, like I was saying, because, like, a lot of these YouTubers getting warrants out for their arrest, getting arrested, like, everybody, literally. So I'm going to, like, try not to cut up too crazy. Try to get y'all entertaining content, but not try to do too much crazy crap. As in, like, recording the crazy crap. But on my free time, shorty? Nah. Nah, let me shut up. We almost there, y'all. I gave y'all a little 10-minute video, though, so y'all let me know. Nah, thought that was the fucking policey, man. Oh, no, I hit that. Damn, you got me, shorty. Look at this Volkswagen. I should have shit on him. I should have went right in front of shorty. I ain't gonna be disrespectful, not today. I'll go back up and catch him. Damn. Shorty? Davo for the community. Look, y'all, if y'all watching this right now, comment hashtag Davo for the community. Or comment community advisor. Hashtag community advisor. Either one. This is how I really know who be watching these videos all the way through. Cause I know a couple of y'all be telling me that y'all be watching these joints, but let's see who really watching it. Follow my Instagram though, for real, y'all. It's a whole lot of behind the scenes content on there. Carmack should be over here somewhere. I'll take the, oh no, it's right there. Woo-wee. Let's get it. I'm ready. This better be quick, man, cause I don't got all day to be sitting in this joint. An hour sitting in this joint just so they could tell me how much they'll give me for this joint. Like, come on, man. Check the mileage, plug up a little thing, see if it's some codes, whatever. Give me a price, man. Cause I ain't really an impatient person, but man, right now, I gotta get back to work. So if y'all don't know, I also got a business, a sneaker business. So if you haven't yet, I'm gonna put it like right there. Go follow that too. I post everything on my story and my highlights. So if you need some shoes, clothing items, anything, hit me. I'm the plug. I'm the major plug. All authentic merch. Y'all already know. Some of y'all know, but not a lot of y'all know. Bro, my heart kind of beating, y'all, because I don't want to let this car go. But let's see what they give me. If they give me a bag, I'm definitely letting this joint go. All right, y'all, so we just go end off this video right here, man. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Tune in to the next video, because the next video I'm going to drop go low-key be me taking this joint to CarMax and selling it. So tune in to the next video. I'm going to put the link to the next video in the description like 2 days later after this video. So tune in. It's been your boy Davo, and I'm out, y'all. Peace.